Hi there, everyone. I'm Lily, and this is my little sister, Mia.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about some amazing things in nature. Are you ready, Lily?
Absolutely, Mia. We're going to learn about butterflies, birds, trees, and flowers. They're all around us, and there's so much fun to discover.
Let's start with butterflies. Look at those pretty flowers over there, Lily. Do you know why butterflies love flowers?
Of course, Mia. Butterflies drink nectar from the flowers using their long, curly tongues called proboscises. They help flowers grow by carrying pollen from one flower to another.
Wow, that's so cool. And guess what, friends? Butterflies come in many colors and patterns. They're like living rainbows.
Now, let's talk about birds. Look up, Mia. Do you see those birds flying in the sky?
I do, Lily. Birds can fly high in the sky because they have wings and feathers. They come in different sizes and colors too.
That's right, Mia. And you know what's amazing? Birds sing beautiful songs. It's like they're having a concert just for us.
I love listening to their songs, Lily. And some birds even build nests in trees to keep their eggs safe.
Mia, look at the tall, green trees all around us. Trees are like nature's skyscrapers, right?
Yes, Lily. Trees give us shade on sunny days, and they help clean the air we breathe. They're like the Earth's lungs.
That's a great way to put it, Mia. Trees also have leaves that change colors in the fall. It's like they're wearing beautiful costumes.
And don't forget, Lily, that trees give us fruits and nuts to eat. Yum! Last but not least, let's talk about flowers. Look at these colorful flowers in the garden, Lily. They smell so nice.
Flowers are like nature's jewelry, Mia. They come in all shapes and sizes. Some are big and bold, while others are small and delicate.
And guess what, friends? Bees love flowers too. They collect nectar to make yummy honey.
Flowers also need water and sunlight to grow big and strong. Just like we need good food and love to grow.
So, friends, we've had a fantastic time exploring butterflies, birds, trees, and flowers with you today.
Nature is full of wonderful surprises, and it's so much fun to learn about it together.
We hope you enjoyed our adventure, and remember to keep exploring the amazing world around you.
That's right. Thanks for joining us today. Bye, everyone. See you next time.